The Secret of Waking Up at a.m. A long, simple story for learning English and building a successful daily life. Alex's life was always in a hurry. Every morning, he woke up late. Every morning, he felt tired before the day even started. The first thing he touched was his phone. Messages, news, social media, problems. He jumped out of bed, washed his face quickly, and ran to work. His mind was full. His heart was empty. At night, Alex felt bad. He felt like he was running every day but never moving forward. He asked himself many times, why is my life not changing? One night, Alex came home very tired. He sat on his bed and did nothing. No phone, no TV, just silence. In that silence, one small question came to his mind. The idea felt strange. He was not a morning person. He loved sleep. He hated alarms. But the question stayed in his head. So he wrote in his notebook, tomorrow, I will wake up at a.m. Before sleeping, Alex felt nervous. He thought, I will fail. I will be too tired. This is stupid. But he still set the alarm. 5 o'clock a.m. Then he slept. The alarm rang. 5 o'clock a.m. The room was dark. The air was quiet. The city was sleeping. Alex wanted to sleep again. His body said, no. His mind said, later. But something inside said, try. So he sat up. That small action changed everything. Alex went to the kitchen and drank a glass of water. He sat near the window. He did not open his phone. He did not think about work. He just sat. At first, his thoughts were loud. I am behind. I wasted time. I am not good enough. Then slowly, the thoughts became quiet. Alex felt calm. He learned his first lesson. Silence is powerful. The next day, Alex woke up late again. He felt disappointed, but he did not quit. The day after that, he woke up at a.m. again. This time, he made a very simple plan. 10 minutes, silence. 10 minutes writing. 10 minutes, thinking. Nothing hard, nothing perfect, just simple. Every morning, Alex wrote simple sentences. I am scared. I want a better life. I don't know where to start. He was not writing for anyone else. He was writing for himself. Writing helped him understand his mind. After 2 weeks, Alex noticed something new. His days felt easier. Problems did not disappear, but they felt smaller. Why? Because his mornings were calm. He learned, a calm morning creates a calm day. At work, Alex started to change. He listened more. He rushed less. He made fewer mistakes. People noticed. You seem different, they said. Alex smiled. He knew the reason. Alex had many goals. Learn English, get better at work, be healthy, feel peaceful. Before, these goals felt heavy. Now, he did something new. Every morning he asked, what is one small thing I can do today? Not 10 things, just one. One small step every day. One English page. One short walk. One kind action. Small steps felt easy, but over time, they became powerful. Alex learned, big success comes from small daily actions. Not every morning was good. Some days, he slept late. He felt tired.